How to reset your Credit Karma account password. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can reset your Credit Karma account password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to go ahead and then basically use the Credit Karma account password, all you have to do is just go ahead and then go to creditkarma.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. When you go to creditkarma.com, here you'll find the login button. Of course, make sure to click on the login option here, and then if you had remembered your email and password, it would be easy for us to log into our account. But since we do not remember our email as well as our password, we just want to go ahead and make sure to click the try another way option here. Once you click on try another way option, it will ask you to simply enter our email address, so make sure to enter your Credit Karma email address and click the continue option. Once you click on the continue option, it will successfully take you to the page where you can verify your email address, and once you verify your email address from this email, you'll be taken to the page where you can enter the new password without having to remember your old password. That's all it takes to go ahead and log in or basically reset your Credit Karma account password. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.